Hi, I will show that the module is broken. I'm using power supply regulated to 10 volts. You can see 10 volts. Then power module. And check one more time. Yes, we have 10 volts. Power on and check 5 volts. You see 5 volts. No, we don't have 5 volts, we have 2.64 volts. In 3.3 line we have 1.74 volts. So you can see that module doesn't working. And this is 5 volt regulator, this is 3.3 voltage regulator. We have see that input we have some voltage, but in the output not 5 volts. And 3.3 regulators output no 3.3 volts. So module doesn't work.